Have you ever wondered where the money we use every day comes from? Most people think governments just print it, but the truth is much more surprising. Today you'll discover how money is actually created in 2025, and I promise it will change the way you think about it forever. The myth of physical money. Many people believe that most money exists in bills and coins, but in reality, less than 10% of the world's money is physical. The rest is digital money. Simple numbers on a screen. When you transfer money through Bazum, PayPal, or your bank, no real money is being transferred. Just an accounting record. Real-life example. In the European Union, the ECB estimates that more than 90% of the money in circulation is digital notes, not banknotes. Who creates money? Money isn't just created by governments. There are two main forms of money creation. Money issued by central banks like the ECB in Europe or the Fed in the US, which print banknotes and control the money supply. Money created by commercial banks. When you take out a loan, the bank doesn't just give you money it had stored away, it creates new money in your account. This means that every loan or mortgage granted increases the amount of money in circulation. Real-life example. In 2023, 90% of the money in the UK was created by commercial banks through lending. How does it affect your life? When banks create money with credit, they also create debt. That's why the economy is so connected to credit. Credit cards, mortgages, personal loans. If there's too much credit, prices rise, inflation. If there's too little, the economy slows down, crisis. The money you have in your account is, in large part, someone else's debt. Real-life example. The 2008 crisis erupted because banks created too much money in the form of mortgages that people couldn't afford. Problems of this system. The money creation system has risks. You depend on private banks seeking profits. Excessive credit can generate bubbles and crises. The average citizen doesn't control how money is created, but suffers the consequences. Inflation, debt, loss of purchasing power. Real-life example. In Argentina, the massive, uncontrolled creation of money caused inflation to exceed 200% annually in 2024. The future of money in 2025. The future is already underway. Governments are launching official digital currencies, CBDCs, such as the digital euro or the digital yuan. Cryptocurrencies continue to offer decentralized, albeit highly volatile alternatives. Cash is losing ground every year. By 2025, understanding how money is created isn't just a matter of curiosity. It's essential to protecting your personal finances. Real-life example. China is already testing the digital yuan in entire cities. Europe is preparing the digital euro for 2026. Money isn't just paper or numbers, it's trust, credit, and the decisions of banks and governments. Now that you know how it's actually created, you have an advantage. You can understand the economy through different eyes and make better decisions with your money. Subscribe, because what's coming in the next videos is going to surprise you even more.